Want to complete calculations faster with Windows Calculator? By using built-in productivity features, keyboard shortcuts, memory functions, and the right calculator modes, you can save time and work much more efficiently. In this guide, I'll show you how to speed up calculations with Windows Calculator in 2026. First, open Windows Calculator from the Start menu. If you use it regularly, pin it to your taskbar so it's always just one click away. Instead of clicking every button with your mouse, use your keyboard to enter numbers and operators. You can also use shortcuts like Ctrl+C to copy results, Ctrl+V to paste numbers, Escape to clear the current entry, and Delete to remove the last digit. Memory functions help you avoid entering the same values repeatedly. You can store numbers using MS, recall them with Mr., and update stored values using M+ or M-. Switch to the mode that best matches your task. Use Standard Mode for everyday math, Scientific Mode for advanced formulas, Programmer Mode for binary calculations, and the Converter tools for quick unit and currency conversions. Using the correct mode saves both time and effort. If you're working with spreadsheets or documents, enable Always on Top mode. This keeps Calculator visible while you work, eliminating the need to constantly switch between windows. Open the History panel to review previous calculations instead of repeating them. This is especially useful when checking results or working through multiple calculations in a single session. And that's how to speed up calculations with Windows Calculator in 2026. Using keyboard shortcuts, memory tools, calculation history, always on top mode, and the appropriate calculator mode can make your workflow faster and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.